Just say you will.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you, Philip. I have a very small haul for y'all today. I see him, baby. Thank you. Look, y'all. Philip was able to get the label out of both of these for me. Thank you, baby. I appreciate it.
Now I can actually eat in peace without me swallowing stick.
Oh, there you go. So, we just got back from Walmart. Everybody was in that store complaining about prices. Everybody. Trying to just make it, buy stuff for their kids for the weekend, for this week until they get paid this upcoming week. Everybody had the same type of conversations going on, okay? So, yeah, we just got to keep doing what we got to do. These stores, we already done been through this. They know what they're doing. They're going to continue doing what they do because they know we have no choices. These competitive prices, you can price shop, you can coupon, you do everything you got to do just to make it. You get stuff when it's on sale. That's why you guys seen that when we do hauls, it's certain parts of the week, we go to certain stores and we get certain things because we try to get them when they're on sale. Tomorrow is the Super Bowl and the family decided they wanted seafood. My brother, one of his friends, Joey, they family own a shrimp and crab boat, so he was able to get crabs from him for a really cheap discount price like he always does. So we just needed just a few items, and then I needed some stuff for my son for lunch for him to bring for snack. So we just got 1 gallon of milk. I only got one more thing of juice to kind of stock the my little one up for that he will bring to school, because I think we still, you said around here we still had 2 in there. They still had 2.5 of another one, so he'll be good through this whole upcoming week. And then of course y'all know he drank a lot of water and apple juice. And then these little nerd, he add to water. He asked me to get him some of this cheese because he liked to put it on his little Ritz crackers. So I went on and got him that. It's just a little snack he can have after school. He loved these pies, so he'll bring them. And then the Reese Puffs treat snacks. Then we got one more thing of the Sara Lee butter bread and the Sara Lee sandwich. What was that? What was that noise?
I don't know. I looked at the same noise you looked at.
I don't know what that was. So we got, like I said, we got the Sara Lee butter bread and one of the sandwich white for Philip sandwiches. I only got one of the 3-pound thing of ground beef. It was on sale, I think for $7, and it's normally $11. So I went on and got one to go with the two flat ones that we have in the freezer. I got the Southern Style biscuits. I'm about to make me some sausage biscuits for breakfast.
I'm getting a bottle of water for my doodle.
Oh. They don't have any that's open already? And then I got what is this one? The 3-pound of the chicken breast tenderloins because they were $7. And this here will be enough for probably, depending on what I cook and how much I'm cooking, it'll probably be enough for either 2 or 3 meals. 3 at the most. But at least 2. Like I said, it just depends on what all I'm cooking. And then I got some chicken drumsticks for today because this is what I'm going to fry today. They're going to have some legs. I don't know if they're going to do french fries or they just going to eat some on some bread because I'm not doing a whole meal because we've been cooking all week. So this is just going to be, what?
I was going to ask if you can make some
Matt, let me get fried corn.
Yeah, this.
Oh, Jesus.
No, look.
I know what fried corn is, baby. So
if
you
you don't want to make that, can you just make some mashed potatoes?
Jesus. See this child here?
I'll eat my mashed potatoes for nothing.
Well, that's all the mashed potatoes they have left. You see my child, I told y'all this boy eat, don't let this size fool you. He's solid as a rock.
Oh, no,
He almost 130 pounds and he's solid. I'm telling you, don't let this size his height fool y'all. He's solid and he eat like a 45-year-old man. Oh, Jesus. So, okay, well, I guess that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to fry these chicken legs and I'm going to make him some fried or smothered corn.
Do I need a bigger bowl for my ramen?
So, y'all heard. And then he will have some for tomorrow. Because I'll make enough. Yeah, I'm going to make enough so he'll have enough fried corn for tomorrow. And he do eat crawfish, so he'll eat crawfish tomorrow while we watching the game, too. So, I'll see you guys later. I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all, like I said, just stay blessed. Stay safe. Stay as positive as possible. Don't let stuff worry you. Just do what you got to do because we got to get it done. And I will see you guys later. All right. Bye, y'all.